Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve 2 power m plus 4 power m plus 8 power m equals 39 and we have to find the value of m. So let's start with today's video solution. So we can write this as 2 power m plus 4 as 2 square whole power m and 8 as 2 cube whole power m equal 39. Now, as per exponent rule, a power n, we can write it as a power n power m as well. So this becomes 2 power m plus 2 power m power 2 plus 2 power m power 3 equal 39. Now I am taking substitution. Let 2 power m equal x. So it becomes x plus x square plus x cube equal 39, or we can write it as x cube plus x square plus x equal 39 as 27 plus 9 plus 3. So x cube minus plus x square plus x equal 27. I can write it as 3 cube plus 3 square plus 3. Now x cube minus 3 cube plus x square minus 3 square plus x minus 3 equals 0. So we can write this as x cube minus 3 cube plus x square minus 3 square plus x minus 3 equals 0. Now I am going to use two very famous identities, that is a cube minus b cube, which is equal a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square, and another identity a square minus b square, which is equals to a minus b times a plus b. So here x minus 3 times x square plus 3x plus 9 times plus x minus 3 times x plus 3, and what is left plus x minus 3 equals 0. Now this x minus 3, if I'll take common, then what is left? X square plus 3x plus 9 plus x plus 3 plus 1 equals 0. So x minus 3, x square plus 4x plus 9 plus 3 is 12 plus 1 13 equals 0. So here x minus 3 times this, first this case equals 0, and then x square plus 4x plus 13 equals 0. So this gives x equal 3, and this is a quadratic equation. So here a is equals to 1, b is equals to 4, and c is 13. So quadratic formula is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. So x equal minus 4 plus minus under root 4 square minus 4 times 1 times 13 by 2 times 1. So x equal minus 4 plus minus, this gives negative discriminant, negative root, so no real solution. So we will reject this case here. So x is equals to 3. So let's recall 2 power m equal x. So 2 power m equal 3. So if I'll take log on both sides, so it's m log 2 equal log 3. So if I'll divide both sides by log 2, this will cancel out. So m equal log 3 with base 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.